Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your side hustle with Amazon Flex easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Amazon Flex app on your smartphone. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the Schedule tab. Check for available delivery blocks in your area. Select a block that fits your schedule. Review the details of the delivery block, including the payout and duration. Once you are satisfied, tap Claim Block to secure your spot. If you don't see any available blocks, try refreshing the page or checking at different times. While waiting for your scheduled block, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Make sure to review the training materials provided by Amazon Flex. These resources will help you understand the delivery process better. On the day of your delivery, arrive at the designated Amazon delivery location on time. When you arrive, log into the Amazon Flex app to start your shift. Follow the app's prompts to load your deliveries into your vehicle. Ensure you organize the packages by drop-off location for an efficient route. Use the app's built-in navigation to guide you to each delivery address. Keep track of your delivery times and document any issues in the app. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to contact Amazon Flex support for assistance. After successfully delivering all packages, log out of your shift using the app. Finally, review your earnings and give feedback about your experience to help improve the service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.